is this video for question on Lab 7, it ain't easy being green. And here's the question. So they want you to calculate the theoretical atom economy, and the theoretical atom economy is like how much you're going to get of what you want based upon all that's made. And here is the formula for that. Your desired product times 100 divided by all the mass of the products. So it's like basically how much you're getting of what you want compared to how much of what you want and the waste together. Right? You want it to be high because it means you're getting a lot of what you want in terms of the starting materials. So let's say I wanted to make some salt based upon this reaction. Is this a good way to make salt? Well, here's our equation. Percent atomic is the desired product, so in this case it's salt, but then the other one I got to figure out water into it as well. So I'm going to look up their molar masses. Alright, that's what I get. And then I would divide salt's molar mass, the 58.45, by salts and waters. Alright? And then I multiply that by 100, and I'm going to get around 76.4. I'm not sure about the sig figs, but that's how you would do these kinds of problems. Alright?